Do you know? The place with the highest average annual rainfall in the world is Mawsynram, a village in the state of Meghalaya in northeastern India. Cherrapunji, also located in Meghalaya, is another nearby location that receives exceptionally high rainfall. Both of these places are situated in the southern slopes of the Khasi Hills and are known for their extraordinarily wet climate. Mawsynram holds the record for the highest average annual rainfall, with an average of around 467 inches, 11,871 millimeters, of rainfall per year. Cherrapunji comes in a close second with an average annual rainfall of approximately 463 inches, 11,760 millimeters.